not safe, I got it. Yeah, don't, go ahead, hit me below if you really need to. But I don't drive anywhere crazy. Pretty much all back roads here. And I'm not sweating it too much. Well, I almost got in a wreck, so that was great. You guys heard that. So, on that note, oh my gosh. Come on, seatbelt, let go. There we go. Take Bobby B out. An important drive. Oh my god. I go pick some stuff up. Alright, let's go. Oh, backfiring. Not warm yet. Oh my god. I just grind the crap out of that gear, man. Before we do anything, it's time for some coffee. Yes, can I get a large light roast coffee, please?
Large light roast coffee, anything else?
Nope, that should be it.
Any cream or sugar?
No, ma'am.
Alright, go ahead and pull around to the window, love.
Thank you. The lifeblood. Alright, well folks, so I pretty much did a video already in The Boss, thanking everybody for 1,000 subscribers. I do know that I got a good chunk of my MG followers who don't necessarily watch The Boss videos, so I want to get on here and thank you guys too. I'm trying to just have a generic car channel, but I understand that not, you know, it doesn't necessarily appeal to everybody, and that's fine. You know, I'm not trying to change everybody. I'm just having a good time. So I want to thank my MG followers. You guys really were the start of the channel when I started fixing Bobby B and getting him running due to COVID. And now, I mean, it's not done, but look where we are. It's registered. I'm driving, and I'm on my way to freaking my office in it. I've been taking it to work several days. I'm extremely grateful also for, obviously I've said it before, but all the advice that I've been given along the way to get this thing running. This car would be a freaking paperweight, or you know, a gigantic, gigantic paperweight in my garage if it weren't for you guys. So, but look at it, it's a gorgeous day. I'm able to come out and enjoy it. You know, it gets good. I get thumbs ups, nice looks in it, because it just is a cool car. Oh God. Got a squeak real bad. gotta be the freaking alternator. Water pump's brand new. So we got a bit of a death wobble at 60 miles an hour. I'll show you why. Get above 60, it's just fine. This thing's running so good, man. Aside from that loud shrieking we just heard, it just went away. Sunflower seed eating cars there are. Alright guys, well that's gonna about do it for today's video. I just wanted to say thank you for the 1,000 followers, especially the MG folks. I know you guys don't all watch it, like I said, and you don't watch my Mustang stuff. That's perfectly fine. But I just wanted to say thank you for, in general, being a part of this channel and helping us grow. I'm hoping there's some big things ahead for Project Bobby B. You know, we got another little man on the way, so that's kind of slowed things down a bit, but that's okay too. We're going to still keep the car going, keep having fun with it. As you can see, you probably need a new alternator, possibly, or maybe the belt just needs to be tightened. I don't know, but it didn't sound like a belt squeal to me. Maybe it was. So we'll look at that again. I'll address it some more. Other big things are the front driver's side suspension. I didn't really tell you guys or show you because I have to stop and show you, and I'll show you in another video. Alright folks, so here is my conversion kit. It came from, the previous owner put on, came from Moss. And it's, you know, it's nicely set up here. It's a little dirty down here. If you come down further, oh snap. It isn't attached. There's a plate that's supposed to be attached behind it. And I don't have it attached right now because the bolt that was in there completely stripped the nut that was on the plate. So I'm going to cut the nut off and weld a new one on. And yes, I have driven it like this for a little bit. So that's a problem and I need to get it fixed. Hopefully we'll do it here shortly and I'll bring that to you guys in a video. But the previous owner modified the suspension to modernize it, right? Put a strut kit in. Well, that strut kit is not attached on the driver's side. It is sitting on the spring and the car will just bounce up and down all day long until until it's level. So not safe. I got it. Yeah, don't go ahead, hit me below if you really need to. But I don't drive anywhere crazy. Pretty much all back roads here, and I'm not sweating it too much. Kind of wreck, so that was great. You guys heard that. Freaking moving truck cut every lane off. So, on that note, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time, folks.